Welcome to the weekly Top 10, where we highlight some of the coolest cars you may or may not know about. The 90s really brought Japanese sports cars and affordable speed into the spotlight. Games like Need for Speed and movies like The Fast and the Furious made raspy exhaust and insane body kits cool at last. Nearly everyone has dreamed about owning at least one of these cars. Let's take a look at the top 10 most popular cars that Japan gave us in the 90s. The Mitsubishi 3000 GT was filled with cutting-edge technology like an aero spoiler, all-wheel steering, and all-wheel drive. The twin turbos helped propel this heavy car onto our list. The Nissan Silvia platform offered 3 generations and several cool models throughout the 90s. While the naturally aspirated models made great daily drivers, they gave us turbo versions for a more exciting drive. Many of these cars have been modified for drifting in the past decade, but you can still see a street-legal version if you keep an eye out. Another Nissan to make the list is the beautiful Fairlady Z. While it wasn't the fastest car offered, it is one of the most beautiful. T-tops and convertible versions are becoming quite rare now. The Integra was a heavy hitter for its weight and size. The Type R pulled away from many powerful competitors thanks to a formidable power-to-weight ratio. When Mitsubishi decided to make a rally car out of their popular Lancer model, no one could have expected the game-changing evolution to pack such a punch. With a balanced weight, all-wheel drive, and plenty of power, it handled dirt roads like few cars before it. Mitsubishi continuously improved on their work to keep up with the competition. Which brings us to the Impreza-based Subaru WRX. With a low center of gravity from its powerful boxer engine, and an even lower exhaust note, these cars dominated the rally scene of the 90s. The later STI models were nearly unstoppable in any weather. The Mazda RX7 was the fastest car in town in many cases. These torquey rotaries delivered smooth and unending power to destroy most competitors. The Skyline GTR was a formidable road and track car in the Japanese market. These beasts went through 3 different changes during the 90s, quickly earning the nickname Godzilla around the world. Their fame has driven them to a nearly unattainable status today. One cannot make a list like this without including the iconic Toyota Supra. Both generations were always a little better than the rest, and were pushed to an even greater height thanks to Paul Walker in The Fast and the Furious. Modified versions can push well over 1,200 horsepower. Sticker prices have skyrocketed in recent years, so most of us can only dream of owning one now. The NSX by Honda is a Japanese supercar. These powerful track monsters are on a higher level than anything else mentioned. If you doubt their abilities, finish up this video by watching a friendly race.
3380万円バトルスタート。おっと、土屋 NSX 抜群のスタート。ガンさん、フェラーリどうした？
NSX のこの敏感な速さにはついていけない。フェラーリがなんだ。
何に乗ってもドリドリさせてしまう土屋選手といまいち弱気なガンさん、2台の差は大きくなる。ガンさん、テスタロッサ頑張れ。
NSX とフェラーリじゃ勝負になんないでしょう、ガンさん。
今回に関してはタイヤの違いなどというもんじゃない。2台の走りには明らかなポテンシャルの差が見える。
動性はいいね。ここ絶対こういうマシンっていうか、GTR もそうだけど、アンダーが強いんだよ今のコーナーって。これは離すよりも踏んでった方がいい。
5ラップ目第2ヘアピン、2台の差は大きく開いてしまった。
こうやって本当にスーパーカー同士の戦いをしてみると本当によくわかる。間違いなくいい車だよこれは。
結局バトルは NSX の勝ち。ベストラップでも NSX の方が約1秒速く、サーキットでは車重の軽さが重要であることが分かったと同時に、テスタロッサが GT カーであることが確認できた。